In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Windows 11 on your laptop or desktop as a virtual machine. So to uninstall Windows Virtual Machine on your main device, so the first thing I always do is you gotta go to your browser. So I have Firefox, and make sure you have VirtualBox. VirtualBox is the program that we're gonna be using to simulate the virtual machine inside your device. So to download, you can click on this button, and you can scroll down and choose your device that you have, Mac OS, Linux, or anything. I'll put the link of VirtualBox in the description. Okay, so after that, you gotta come to this download Windows 11 website. I'm gonna also link it in the description. And in here, you could scroll down, and you'll find this button right here. And this button is where you select your ISO for x64 devices. So you click on this one, select download, and select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices, and you click confirm. Now it's just confirming my request. I'm doing some checking, and here you can select the product language. So you can select the language that you will like, and I'm gonna choose English United States, and click confirm. So after you finish everything, you click on this button, 24-bit download, and you click on it, and your Windows starts installing. So as you see right here, it downloaded the ISO. The next thing you gotta do is you gotta open your virtual machine, optical VirtualBox, the one that you guys just saw, and you gotta click open. And right here, after you clicked open, you can come here and click new. And right here, you gotta enter the name of the whole thing. So I'm just gonna call it Windows for testing. And you can click on this one, this button. It says ISO image. You can click on it, and you can click others, and you can select your ISO file for the Windows. You select it and you click open, and you have it. So now you click on attended install, and you can choose your username. I'm gonna keep it on VBox user, and you can enter your password. I'm gonna make my password, repeat the password, and after you do all of that, you click on hardware. Right here in hardware, you have to adjust your base memory and processors. So my base memory is 16 on this laptop, but right here it says 14 because of the system. I'm gonna give the virtual machine 8,000 megabyte, which is 8 gigabyte, and I'm gonna choose the processors. I want to make them 7. You can choose which one you want based on your laptop. So you can come here to hard disk also, then you can select how much space you want. 80 gigabyte is well enough for Windows devices. So as you finish everything, by the way, already recognized the device is Windows 11. So after you finish everything, you click on finish, and it's gonna be starting up the machine. As you see right here, it started up my machine. I can zoom in, I can just keep it like this. I'll zoom in to see what's happening. It's gonna take some time. Right here, it's informing me that if I click on the black thing on the screen, it's gonna capture my mouse. So my mouse can't get out of my main laptop. To make my mouse exit the capture mode, I gotta do the right control key. So I'm gonna say okay, and my mouse is inside the virtual machine, but if I press the right control, it's gonna leave. So right here for me it says press any key. You can just press any key to boot this CD or the ISO. Most of you guys are not gonna face this problem, so it's alright. So right here is the starting of the installation. It's gonna ask you to put a product key. If you don't have that product key, and I don't think so, you need one, you can click on I don't have a product key, and it's gonna load. As you see right here, finished downloading and installing the Windows and everything. So you have your full virtual machine right here, as you see on my screen. If you did follow all of the steps, you will have finished everything. But you want to do full screen. So to do full screen, you can come here and view and click full screen. But there's one problem in full screen, is it doesn't take all of this screen that you have, as you see right here. You can fix that problem by going to settings and click on devices right here, and you click insert guest additional CD. So set devices and click this, and from here you can go to File Explorer, and from File Explorer you can scroll down and go to the CD drive right here. You can come here, to this one, CD drive, this one, the D one, make sure it has the D, and you can scroll down and you can click on VirtualBox Windows Edition. Double click on this one, make it to install it. It's gonna ask you for confirmation, click yes, and you gotta just set it up right here. So next, and install. It's gonna restart your device, as you see right here, and after it restarts it, you can see the full resolution. All of the resolution is gonna get better, and everything is gonna be working well. So now I see I can click finish, and you can select reboot, and when it reboots, all of this is gonna be on the screen, and click finish right here, selected reboot. Now all of your device is gonna be rebooting, not your main device, the virtual machine device is gonna get rebooted, and you can see a full screen. My laptop just finished, my virtual machine just finished reloading, and rebooting. You can click here on view to make full screen, and from here you can click on full screen and then click on switch. And as you see right here, you have the virtual machine in full screen. You can click on this to hide this, and you have a full virtual machine inside your laptop. If you want to leave, you could scroll down, and you could not scroll down, you could move your mouse in the bottom, and you can find this one, and you can rescale it to make it smaller. And also, you don't need full screen because you already have the access right here. So if this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you next one. Goodbye.